Welcome to Maranello Cars and Detailing. Here we have our beautiful A35 Amg Premium Plus. This vehicle is fully loaded with a lot of extras. So it's got the multi-spoke wheels, it's got the aero pack, and it's got the pan roof. Let's get started. So walk around the vehicle. As you can see, nice immaculate thing. The only work we're going to do to this vehicle in our prep centre is just the front brakes. Brake warning lights just come on, which will be done. As you can see, got the beautiful aero pack at the back and the spoiler at the top with the pan roof. Around the rear wheel, again, nice clean vehicle. Go all the way around to the front. Beautiful daytime running lights, low diffuser. Let's go into the vehicle. Got the pan roof there. Okay, as you can see, let's just turn the volume down on this. So it's got the full panel all the way across, the heated seats. It's got the upgraded Bowmaster surround sound. Pan roof, Alcantara half. Flat bottom steering wheel. Now to the back, again, nice and immaculate and clean. Let's just open the boot. It's not power tailgate. Plenty of room in there for shopping, anything you need. To the passenger side, again, nice clean vehicle. Passenger side front, as you can see, just had a full valet, so the mats look a bit wet. It's got the Lingotronic as well, so you press the button, you just say Mercedes close sunroof, and it closes. It takes all the voice commands. It's got the big screen which goes all the way down, full panel, and there we have it. Got manufactured warranty until next year, 2011. We believe it's got Mercedes service pack on it, but we're just going to check with Mercedes if it has. Close that door. And again, like I say, just have the front brake pads done. There we have it. Thanks for watching.